and welcome back to my channel. I'm Fabiola if you don't know me, and I create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos every Wednesday and Sunday, so make sure to click that subscribe button, click the notification bell below, and follow me on social media. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to today's video. So I don't know if you can tell, but I went a little bit lighter with my hair. I was debating between either going darker or lighter, but every time I darken my hair, I always end up going back to the lighter colors, and it's such a process to get rid of dark colors. So I decided just to go a little bit lighter, and so far I am loving it. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, if you like it or not. But anyway, today I am back with a Valentine's Day haul. I'm going to share with you all the cute items that I got for Valentine's Day from my friends and stuff that I also bought myself. And not because it's Valentine's Day means that you have to have a special someone in your life. It literally can be from anybody, even from yourself. And for me, Valentine's Day is a friendship day, which is to celebrate, you know, being surrounded by loved ones, by family, by friends, and people that love you. So I decided to get a few items, and I'm going to share with you what I got. So I'm going to start off first with this adorable box of flowers. This was actually sent out to me from Venus et Fleur, and I am loving these flowers so much. I think I actually showed you guys these flowers a couple of weeks ago when I did a room tour. But these are preserved roses. They smell incredible, like fresh roses out of a box, and it makes my whole room just smell so incredible. So they sent me these beautiful pink ones, and they also sent me these lighter shade of pink, which is up here. So now I have like two different shades. I absolutely love them. I'll link them down below, but that is like the perfect Valentine's gift. So the next thing I want to share with you are some items that I got from my bestie Joey. She also has a YouTube channel. It's JJ's Pink Secrets. I'll link it down below. But she knows I love pink and girly items, and I did mention this in the past, but I don't have like a Ross store near me, and there's really not many like cute things in my area. I don't know why. Like, why is it that Massachusetts doesn't carry all these adorable things that I see all over Instagram? But thankfully I have her, and she got me some adorable items from Juicy Couture. I know they're like so popular right now. So she got me this beautiful Juicy Couture top. It's incredibly soft. But I am loving this top so much. I can't wait to wear it. And it's so pretty. It has pink. She also sent me these adorable panties. Look how cute these are. There's like two shades of pink in there, and they have lace detail. They're so soft. And then a black one. And these are Juicy Couture as well. I am like loving these. These are like so adorable. Also, she sent me these beautiful Juicy Couture heart earrings with crown. I'm actually wearing them already. But I'll give you a close-up so you can see. I am obsessed with these earrings. Like, the day I got them, I put them on, and I've been wearing them ever since. Like, that's how much I love them. And then to go with my beautiful earrings, she sent me this gorgeous Juicy Couture bracelet. Like, I am obsessed, and I was actually waiting to do this video so I could wear it. So I'm so glad I finally filmed it so I can start wearing my bracelet. This is such a beautiful bracelet. Like, I am so excited. Thank you so much, bestie. You are the best. Like, literally, you guys, she's like the bestest friend ever. I'm so lucky to have her. So the next thing I want to show you guys is something that I got from Victoria's Secret. I actually got this a few weeks ago, and I was going to do like a Victoria's Secret haul, but then I really didn't get that many items to do a haul, so I'll just share it with you in today's video. And the first thing I got is a pair of pink bow slippers. Like, how cute is this? It even comes in its own little satin dust bag. These are so cute, and I'm so glad that I got them. They also come in like two other colors, but of course I had to get the pink. They have pearls, they have everything. They are adorable. So I also got a tote bag, and the reason why I got this is because my friend Joey also got this tote bag, and I saw it in her haul. So I decided to get one so we could be twinning, and it's such a pretty tote bag. Like, it's huge. It's bigger than I thought. And it reminds me a lot of the Neverfull. It also like has these little things on the side to cinch it in. It's beautiful. Like, it's such a nice, good quality tote bag. It has a zipper. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm so glad I got it, and it's in the perfect shade of pink with pink stripes. So pretty. So those are the two things that I got from Victoria's Secret. I also wanted to share with you something so adorable that my friend Rachel sent out to me. She made me something that is so beautiful, and the moment I opened it, I literally teared up, just because it's so amazing that YouTube has brought me together with all these incredible women, these amazing friends, and to me that just means so much. Like, I can't even explain to you guys how grateful I am to be able to do YouTube and be able to get to know all these incredible women. So she made me this beautiful YouTube play button frame. Like, how beautiful is this? It's all blinged out. So I'm so thankful that Rachel made this for me. She also has a YouTube channel. I'm gonna link her channel down below. It's Rachel Lee. But she is gorgeous. She literally reminds me of a Victoria's Secret model. Like, that's how gorgeous she is. You guys need to check her out. She does incredible videos, all kinds of like hauls. So I'll link her channel down below so you guys can check her out. But look how beautiful this is. It's like all blinged out, and it has the pink play button here. So I put this up there with my purses so that I can look at it every day. But girl, thank you so much. It literally means so much. This is absolutely beautiful. So I also ended up getting another purse. I know, like another purse. But this purse is absolutely beautiful. I actually saw one of my friends post it on her Instagram page. I fell in love with it and I searched it up and I got one. It's the Kate Spade Heart Purse. I don't know the exact name. If I find it, I'll link it down below. I know it's sold out and it's very hard to find, but I actually found this on Poshmark. And I'm so grateful that I found it because I love this purse so much. It's so beautiful. You can carry it like this in the, in your hand. And it also comes with a long strap as a crossbody. It's absolutely beautiful. It's like the perfect shade of pink. It's a heart and it's just so cute. And it's actually pretty spacious. Like, it's pretty big. I mean, as long as I can fit my phone, I'm good with it. So the last thing I ended up getting is a new phone, and I really needed a new phone. I got it on Valentine's Day for myself because I deserve it. But my other phone that I had, my kids totally broke it. They would use it and it got cracked and it was pretty old. So I decided to get the new iPhone. This is the iPhone 12 Pro, I believe. I'm not even sure of the exact name. I'll link it down below, but it's incredible. It's the newer one, and I also got this beautiful little case that goes with it. This is a gold color phone and it's beautiful. Like, I love it. I'm so glad I was able to find this. The guy said it was like the last gold color. Look how pretty it is. It's like beautiful. It's like the perfect gold color. But I really love the camera on this. That's the main reason why I got it, because I do take a lot of pictures for my Instagram, and the camera in this phone is incredible. So that's what I ended up getting. So the last thing I got is not an actual item. It's just something that I've always wanted to get, and I got it for Valentine's. So I got this tattoo and I love it. It just says the word love in cursive. I think it's so beautiful. It's small, but it's, like, I think it's like the perfect size. It looks really pretty and it looks elegant at the same time. So yeah, I decided to get it for Valentine's. But yeah, those are all the items that I got for Valentine's Day. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, and comment, and leave me a comment down below. I love to read your comments and I try to respond to everybody's comment as much as I can. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.
In the neon, you came to this place to hide away in the dark. You tell yourself you need to move